Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Twi the Fun Way with Twi Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today's lesson we have 5 people that needed something translated, and the first person that needed me to translate something was Afare. Afare, thanks again for your continuous support, and this is what Afare wanted to know. The very first thing that Afare wanted to know was, how do you say he is playing the victim in Twi, right? Now that is a bit tricky because in Twi we do not have the word victim. It all depends on the situation that you're presented with, right? So for today I'm just going to say 4 out of the many possibilities, right? So let's start with the first way of saying or implying that one is a victim. Now the first way of one can actually imply that somebody is a victim is waye nihuse onuna wepra. Now in English should be he is pretending or he is acting as though or as if he is the one that's been hurt or the one that's hurt. So now if somebody pretends or portrays themselves as they've been hurt, then they're playing the victim. So again, the sentence is waye nuhuse onuna wapira. Again, waye nuhuse onuna wapira. And the second way one can actually portray being a victim is waye nuhuse onuna yebuno. Again, waye nuhuse onuna yebuno. So in this case, it's somebody who's been duped. So imagine that somebody went to a shop and he's been swindled or duped. So now the person plays a victim. So again, one last time in Twi, waye nuhuse onuna yebuno. And the third way one might actually portray themselves as a victim would be waye nuhuse onuna yekuno. Again, waye nuhuse onuna yekuno. So in this case we're talking about somebody who has been murdered or killed. Now that person is a victim. So in this case we're saying that the person has been murdered or killed. One last time, waye nuhuse onuna yekuno. And the fourth way that one might actually portray themselves as a victim would be waye nuhuse onuna yasenidin. Now this is in a sense of when somebody drags your name in the mud. So what this is saying is the person is pretending or is acting as though they are the ones that their name have been spoiled. So again, that in turn puts you in a bracket of being a victim. So again, the sentence is waye nuhuse onuna yasenidin. One last time, waye nuhuse onuna yasenidin. And the second thing that Afare wanted to know was how to say who is the victim. And this, like the last one, depends on the situation how to say it in Twi, right? As we don't have the word victim in Twi, right? So I came up with 4 best possible ways, although there are many, right, that one can actually say the word victim. And the first way one can actually say that is whyna opraye. Again, whyna opraye. So in this situation, somebody got hurt and now they're pretending or they're acting as though they're the victim, right? So now, one last time, whyna opraye. Now the second way one can actually say that again is whyna yebuno. Whyna yebuno. In English should be who was actually swindled or who was duped or who was cheated out of something. So again, whyna yebuno. Now the third way one can actually say that again is whyna yekuno. Again, whyna yekuno. So in this case, as sad as it may be, right, this might be somebody who got murdered or somebody got killed. So in this case, whyna yekuno is saying who got killed, and that in turn could be a victim, in this case murder victim, right? So again, whyna yekuno. And the other way that one can actually portray a victim would be whyna yesenidin. Again, whyna yesenidin. In this case, it's somebody whose name has been dragged in the mud. So you're asking whose name was actually dragged in the mud, right? So again, whyna yesenidin. Afare, thanks again for your continuous support. I truly appreciate your support. Remember, in Twi, we do not have the word victim, or to my knowledge, we don't. If somebody knows what the word for victim is in Twi, right, please put in the comment section so that we may all learn. Please share it, right? Now, the second person that wanted me to translate something was Josiah. Josiah, thanks for your continuous support. And this is what Josiah wanted to know. Josiah wanted to know what the word for yet in Twi was, right? Now, he gave me a sentence. The sentence was, is the ampesi ready yet? Now, in that context, yet could be enya in Twi. So enya, roughly translated in English, would be still not ready. So now with the sentence, is the ampesi ready yet, in Twi, with the word enya in this context would be something like this. Ampesi no nya meye. Ampesi is ampesi. No represents that specific ampesi. Nya is still not, right? Then meye is not complete or not cooked or not done yet or not ready. So literally translated would be, is the ampesi still not ready? Then roughly translated would be, is the ampesi ready yet? Thanks again, Josiah. Thanks again for your continued support. And the next person that wanted me to translate something was Daniel. Daniel, I appreciate your support. And these are the things that Daniel wanted to know. So Daniel wanted to know two things, right? But one, the first one, I'm going to break it into two parts. It all depends on the way you actually say it, the tone, on how you say it, right? So the first thing that Daniel wanted to know was, what was Masideni in English? Masideni. Now, if you say it as plain as it is, right, what you're saying in English would be, this is my Thanksgiving. Now, if you say the same sentence as a question, now that changes the whole meaning of what you're trying to say. So if you say, Masideni, what you're trying to say is this how you thank me? The second thing that Daniel wanted to know was, what was ebesisa in English? Now, ebesisa in English would be, it will change. It will change. Now that in Twi again is ebesisa. One last time. Ebesisa. Daniel, thanks again for your continuous support. Much appreciated. Now the next person that wanted me to translate something was Drew. Drew, again, thanks again for your continuous support. And this is what Drew wanted to know. Drew wanted to find out, how do you say, I don't feel better yet in Twi? Now that in Twi can roughly be said in two ways. Now the first one can say, I don't feel better yet in Twi would be, mehu nyantome. Again, mehu nyantome. Now the second way one can actually say that again is, mehu fame papa. Again, mehu fame papa. Drew, thanks again for your continued support. I really appreciate it. And the last person that wanted me to translate something was Mujib. Mujib, thanks again for your support. And these are the things that Mujib wanted to know. The first thing that Mujib wanted to know was how to say, have I given you the money? Now that in Twi can be said as, mede sikano amao. Again, mede sikano amao. One last time, mede sika no amao. Sika is money in Twi. No is that specific money, right? So mede sika no amao, which is, have I given you the money? Now the second thing that Mujib wanted to know was, he doesn't have money. Now that in Twi can be said as oni sika. Oni sika. Now the third thing that Mujib wanted to know was, I'm not fighting with you. Now that in Twi can be said as mene wo renko. Again, mene wo renko. But in Twi, the R, when you write it, it's written as renko, but when you pronounce it, the R usually falls away. So what you'd say, or what you hear people saying, would be mene wo enko. Again, mene wo enko. Now the fourth thing that Mujib wanted to know was, why are they fighting? Now that in Twi can be said as adenti na wonum reku. Remember, it's written as reku, but when you say it, or when you'll actually hear more people saying it out loud without every part. So if you were to say it to someone, you'd say it as Adentina wonum eko. Again, Adentina wonum eko. Adenti is basically why. Wonum is them. Eko is fight. So basically the sentence is, why are they fighting? So the sentence again is Adentina wonum eko. And the next thing that Mujib wanted to know was, so Mujib wanted to find out what Adentina wusriye meant in English. The sentence again is Adentina wusriye. Again, Adentina wusriye. In English should be, why did you laugh? Why did you laugh? And the last thing that Mujib wanted to know was, Mujib wanted to find out what ehin na uhuno meant in English. Again, ehin na uhuno. One last time. Ehin na uhuno. In English should be, where did you see him or her? But in short, where did you see the person? Mujib, thanks again for your continuous support. I really appreciate it. This is the end of this week's lesson. I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't be where it is right now. So you guys are truly special, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And guys, please keep on spreading the word. Let anyone who wants to learn Twi or just want to find out what Twi is about come to this channel. Hopefully when they go through the content, they'll like it enough to actually subscribe to the channel. Guys, remember again, if you like the content of the channel, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. And guys, please remember, please go to Google Store, please go get the Twi Junior Pro app. With that and this channel, you learn Twi quicker. Kwesi, do you have anything to add? Yes, I do. All I want to say is Afin Shiapa. Afin Shiapa to everyone, which is basically seasonal greetings to everyone. I just want to say Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. I hope you guys are safe. I hope you're enjoying yourselves. Your response to that would be Afinko Metuyeng. Again, Afinko Metuyeng, which is the year should actually go back and find us. Basically, find us in peace, right? With that, guys, I just want to say thank you again for all your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. With that, lots of love from me and him. I'm leaving now. Cheers. Bye. From me too, guys. Bye.